Laser Center has been around almost 14 years. We started in 1999. We are located in the West County off of 270 and Olive. Our surgery center is a state licensed and federally accredited surgery center. I am the laser coordinator. I work directly with all of our affiliated offices to make sure that everyone knows what's going on with LASIK. I explain the procedure to patients. I'm also here on day of surgery to walk them through and hold their hand. The Crown Laser staff and surgeons are very experienced and very dedicated. There are members that have been here since we opened our doors. We are going to make sure you're feeling very informed and very comfortable throughout your experience.
I've been in practice for 21 plus years, 12 of those devoted exclusively to laser refractive surgery here at Crown Laser Center. I attended the Ohio State and Southern Illinois universities, graduated with bachelor's degrees in microbiology and visual science, went on to the Illinois College of Optometry and received a Doctor of Optometry degree. Here at the Laser Center, I'm the clinical director. I'm responsible for all the patient care preoperatively and postoperatively, as well as all of the protocols that go into getting the good results that we get here at Crown Laser Center. When choosing a laser surgery center, I think it's very important to know the background and training of both the surgeon and the surgical team.
There are 4 of us that work in the office every day. It's the same 4 people you'll see on your consultation. Day of surgery, there are a couple surgeons that you can choose from. Both of them are highly accredited and they have great skills.
I've been working for Crown Laser Center for about 5 or 6 years now. I started doing LASIK surgery back in 1999, so about 15 years, a little bit short of that.
Been working for Crown Laser Center since about 1998. Been performing LASIK surgery since about 1997. Went to college at Harvard College in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Went to medical school at Johns Hopkins Medical School in Baltimore, Maryland. Did my ophthalmology residency at Barnes Jewish Hospital in St. Louis, Washington University School of Medicine.
LASIK is a procedure in which we need to reshape the cornea. The cornea is the clear bubble over the front of your eye. Depending upon whether you're nearsighted or farsighted, we're going to need to either flatten or steepen your cornea.
The range for LASIK is pretty broad. They must be within the range of refractive need. We'd like to have their prescription be stable for at least 2 years prior to their laser surgery. We really want to capture when they're stable so you don't have to do additional treatment later on.
Patients should choose Crown Laser Center because they feel very comfortable. We give them all the knowledge that they need to make the right decision and that they know they're going to come out with a great outcome.
I had LASIK surgery 14 years ago.
About 6.5 years ago.
About 4 years ago.
About a year ago in February.
My children would come in the middle of the night to my bedroom and they would have to talk before I could even tell which one it was.
My vision was so bad I couldn't see the big E on the top of the eye chart. I couldn't do anything without glasses or contacts on.
I could not recognize faces at probably more than 6 feet away.
The thing I remember most about the day of my LASIK surgery is what an easy process it was, how everybody walked me through the process. I had no questions about what was going on at any time and felt totally comfortable.
Even though they explained what was going to be happening, I was still a little bit leery about the whole process, but everyone at Crown made it just really easy to go through.
I was a little nervous. I had to, calm myself down a little bit, and then realizing how quick and easy the process was.
You just lay back and watch the little light that's flashing, and it's easy.
I was in and out of the surgery room within 15 minutes, and I was home chilling on the couch before I knew it.
I remember having the surgery and then the doctor saying, "Look, can you see the clock?" And when I sat up, I saw the clock and I was like, oh my gosh, I couldn't even tell there was a clock on the wall before I started my surgery. I did not expect to be able to see so great, immediately.
Before surgery, my vision was 2100, and just a month after surgery, it was at 2010 in both eyes.
I was 2200 before my LASIK surgery, and now I'm a 20/20.
My vision is perfect. I've been able to see 20/15 since the day after my surgery.
My vision after having LASIK at Crown Laser Center 14 years ago is still 20/15.
Now that I don't have to wear glasses or contacts, I can do absolutely everything in my normal day. I can drive a car, watch television, read the clock on the wall.
When I travel, I don't have to pack my glasses and contacts and solution. I can go swimming, don't have to worry about opening my eyes under the water.
I play sand volleyball every Thursday, and I don't even have to worry about putting in my contacts or sand getting in my eye or it, getting irritated.
My advice would be don't wait. You need to sit down and add up how much you're spending on contact lenses, on contact lens solution, on eyeglasses, and all of that you're spending will pay for your LASIK in a matter of probably less than 2 years.
Getting LASIK done was definitely life-changing. I wish I would have done it many years ago, and I've recommended several people at Crown. They have a great staff, the doctors are awesome. I should have done it 10 years ago.
One of the great things about Crown Laser Center is that they offer numerous financing plans. I went through Care Credit. I had 12 months, no interest. no financing, so I paid a small amount of money for a year, and it was so easy to pay off.
Anybody considering LASIK surgery, I would say give Crown Laser Center a call. Do it today, get the ball rolling. They will take care of your eyes, and it'll be the best decision that you've ever made.
Changed my life.
The reason to choose Crown Laser Center really revolves around several factors: state-of-the-art equipment, a caring staff, our conservative approach to surgery, and our great results.
Some of the most memorable things that I can think of after someone's had surgery is we get lots of cookies, lots of cupcakes. I love it when people post on Facebook how great their vision is. I think our most favorite thing is when we get letters of people saying, "Thank you, you've changed my life." Fridays are my favorite day. The minute they sit up from the chair and they can tell what time it is and they turn around and they can see your family, it's extremely exciting. It makes my job very enjoyable. We're a little family and we like to keep you as part of our family.